Hello everybody, in this short video I'm going to be showing you a little bit about how you can make the most of your Google Documents. Now Google has added an awful lot of new features recently to Google Docs that you may or may not have seen. To access these new features, you can open a new document and then put the @ symbol in, which will open up the search menu for you. You'll notice that you have an opportunity here to select people chips, which look a little bit like that. When we hover over those, it gives us some information about them. We can even go look at their calendar events. We can send them messages. It's pretty useful. Let's do another one. We can do building blocks. Right now there's meeting notes, but in the future you'll be able to do things like create a draft email and then send that draft email directly into Gmail so that you can send it. So if you are collaboratively working on a message that needs to go to a large group of folks, those days of mocking it up in Google Docs and then having to copy and paste it are over. This will save you a step. But right now, you can use meeting notes. It will look at your calendar. You can pick one of your upcoming meetings, and it'll throw in a header for the attendees. Again, it gives you those chips. Any attached files that are included already for that meeting in your calendar. It gives you an area for notes and an area for action items. Super helpful. You also get this context box, which will allow you to share and attach this document to the calendar event right from here. So if you haven't done it already, you can do it right from within Google Docs. Let's go ahead and delete that. Let's try another one. We can also link to files. So for example, if we wanted to link to this Trio Collegiate Strategic IT meeting, we can do that. And notice I can hover and get a quick preview. I can also choose to open that preview, which will open on the page so that I can quickly scroll through it. Very handy. Let's try another. You can create lists. The nice one here is that you can quickly create a checklist. A lot of people already know how to do a numbered list or a bulleted list pretty quickly, but the checklist one is really handy to have as well. So again, come in here, just add some, and of course these are fully interactive. How about another? I can insert images, tables, drawings, charts. If I pull charts, notice I can pull that directly from a Google Sheet, or I can create my own. If I double click on it, or I can choose to link it, I can open the source to grab the data, and I'm editing my chart already here. So again, the integration between tools is much better in Google Docs than many folks may realize. Let's take a look at another option. We can put in the dates. We can also put in our formatted text. We can add calendar events. If I hit tab after this, notice that, look, I just went back and added my notes document. I can also add more things in here as well. For example, I can add a watermark. I can do an image, or I can just do a text. Let's mark this as draft. I can, of course, use our tools to make this look a little bit better. If I want to make it horizontal, I can, or diagonal. And I can make it more transparent or less transparent, depending on what my needs might be. Finally, let's look at this link on the left, the document outline. I can write in a summary. And if I structure my document appropriately, so if I call this title and maybe overview and topic 1, subtopic 1.1, right? So if I come in here and I say title, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Notice that I can quickly navigate my document using the outline on the left. This is an easy way to make complex documents much more manageable. It's also a great way for you to use the Google tools in order to collaborate using all of the Google Workspace features and tools. So I hope this quick video has taught you a little something about how you can get more out of Google Docs than you may have realized.